Hey Eagles, I'm here to talk to you about Drumline.
Winter Drumline is a musical performance group made up of 3 different groups. The first is the front ensemble, which sits towards the front of the floor, the performance space, and is made up of the marimba, vibes, keyboards, maybe guitar, and other color instruments that can't really move around on the floor or march.
The front ensemble is comprised of most of these instruments. We have the marimba here, the xylophone, and then the metal one back there is the vibraphone. The aux is like the drums of the front ensemble, and so we have the drum set here, some of the cymbals, and the wood block.
The battery is the second group, made up of a snare drum, bass drums, cymbals, and tenor drums, and they are one of the marching groups in the winter ensemble.
Battery is the drum portion of Drumline. We provide the beats and the tempo for the rest of the drumline to make sure everyone stays in time. And the battery also marches around the floor. We are half of the marching portion of the group. The other half is the guard, which we'll talk about later. And in the battery, you have your snares, quads, basses, and cymbals.
And the last one is the color guard, and the color guard are our visual group. They make up the flags, rifle, saber, and they're the ones that typically dance. These guys move all over the floor, and they are a performance group that doesn't play an instrument, but they are a very visual package. People should join this group because it's a great chance to get into music and to actually play an instrument or be part of a performance group if you happen to be in the color guard. And you get to go and compete against groups from all over the state. And if you're actually part of the high school group, they go and compete against high school groups from actually all over the world. It's an extracurricular activity that gets you moving, and it's a great way to meet a whole bunch of kids and do a collective activity.